Be an Easter bunny underwater. I mean, I don't know what I imagined, but I didn't imagine that.
Underwater, right? There was plenty of it to go around yesterday. I think everyone got their fair share of rain, and we even saw some spots that broke daily records out towards Quileute, coming in over 2 inches of rain. The old record for yesterday's state was actually just under 2 inches. Coming in at about a half an inch in Seattle, over an inch and a quarter in Shelton, and closing in on 3/4 of an inch in Olympia. And we haven't completely shut off the rain yet. We do have more rain to come, but it is going to be for a few spots where it looks like areas farther to the west probably stay drier as we go throughout a lot of the daytime hours. Now you can see the cloudy skies right here looking live in Tacoma. We have a dryish start, but some lighter showers here into place. We do expect another surge of moisture to come in, and that's going to enhance some of the rainfall. And with temperatures that are still expected to be a little cooler than average, this rain is definitely not going to make things feel better. Average high 58, low 50s here for the next few days, including today, tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. Numbers trying to bounce up towards the latter part of the week. It's going to be this time frame right here. Tuesday evening heading into early Wednesday that we'll keep an eye out for, which I'm going to explain to you why here in just a second. Current temperature sitting in the mid 40s if you're heading out the door in Bremerton. We're at 45 there, 46 in Renton, 45 in Puyallup, 44 in Bellingham. There's a frontal boundary pretty close to where we are right now, and that will slowly but surely begin to head east as we go throughout the day. But that will mean too that our temperatures are not going to warm up a whole lot and really should cool down quite a bit too as we head on into early tomorrow morning. So this is the picture right now. This is looking where we have some of the rain up into the mountains, higher elevations. We're dealing with snow there across parts of the Cascades. It looks like we're still above 4,000 feet though, so a lot of the passes are still drivable. So you have the rain down here closer to parts of Oregon where we have some heavier pockets, some areas of steady but light rain closer to North Bend and getting closer to Issaquah right now. That extends farther south across King County, down into Pierce County, across areas such as Tacoma, Lacey, getting closer to Bonnie Lake and around to Olympia. So the rain is going to continue to move off towards the east, but again, you can see very light greens indicating the light rainfall that's in place. With that heavier pocket of rain coming northward, we'll start to enhance some of that and see some heavier showers here as we go over the next few hours. We do have flood warnings out for the Skokomish River. That's for moderate flooding. It's expected to begin to recede as we go over the next 24 hours, so it shouldn't get too out of hand with this rain that's moving on through. And plus, it looks like a lot of that rain is going to stay just near or maybe to the east of where we're dealing with some of that flooding there into some of the region. Now, bigger picture, you can see this next surge comes with this next area of low pressure, which is going to sweep through the area. Once that enhances some of the rainfall and moves through, you can see we go into the afternoon hours. We see that rain pretty much over some of the same spots here, closer to Puget Sound and farther to the east. Hood Canal, maybe a few light showers there. The coast, really not a whole lot really to speak of, and we'll keep the chances around, but it looks like the steady chances of rain will still remain over parts of Puget Sound of areas farther to the east. We'll get one little gasp of rain to come on through, and then once we head on to, here we go, early Wednesday morning, late Tuesday night, we're seeing some colder air wrap around this area of low pressure. That will bring us some snow levels down to about 1,000, maybe 500 feet, meaning there could be a few spots in the foothills that deal with maybe some flurries. Overall, though, we're just talking about some light rain, and that will be the forecast here as we go throughout the next few days. Areas of cooler temperatures starting to warm back up a little more as we head late into the week and definitely by the weekend.